Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th physics chapter hydrostatics, and this is our part 3. In this part we are going to learn some problems based on pressure at a point inside fluid. Our first question is the pressure at a depth of 13.6 centimeter in a water beaker is same as the pressure at a depth of 1 centimeter in another beaker containing an unknown liquid. Identify the unknown liquid. According to the question, suppose there are two beakers. In first case, the depth means the height h1 is 13.6 centimeter, and in second case this is the unknown liquid and this is the water. So the height is 1 centimeter. Pressure is same. They have told that pressure is same means P1 if P, so P2 will also be P. And they told that density is as it is means we know the density of a liquid, density of a water we know that is 1 gram per cc, and density of unknown liquid we don't know because we don't know which liquid is it. We have to find the unknown liquid. So and G will take as it is G for all the cases. We know the formula for pressure is HdG. Pressure is equal to depth into density into acceleration due to gravity. P1 is equal to P2. P1 is equal to 13.6 into 1 into G, and P2 means P is equal to 1 into D2 into G. As the pressures are same, so we can equal both the values. 13.6 into G equal to D2 into G. This G and G will get cancelled. D2 will be equal to 13.6. Therefore, density of the unknown liquid is 13.6 and this density is of mercury. Therefore, the unknown liquid is mercury having density as 13.6 gram per cc. Next question is the pressure at a depth of 15 meter inside a liquid is 16 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. Find the pressure at the depth of 10 meter inside the same liquid. So in first case they are telling that the pressure at a depth means H1 is 15 meter. Pressure at the depth of 15 meter inside the liquid is 16 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. have to find the pressure at a depth of 10 meter. Depth of 10 meter inside this same liquid. Liquid is same. Now over here density of liquid will be same because the liquid is same. Now pressure is equal to pressure atmospheric plus HDG. Now P1 will put the value. P1 is equal to 16 into 10 raised to 5 equal to pressure atmospheric will be 10 raised to 5 plus HDG. H is 15 into density of liquid, which is same, into G. And in the second case, it will be P2 is equal to 10 raised to 5 plus, or else we'll take this as it is so that we don't have to simplify. Pressure atmospheric plus height is 10 into density of liquid into G. We'll take this in terms of density of liquid because they both are same. Density of a liquid will be equal to 6 in first case 16 into 10 raised to 5 upon 15 into G. Here this and this will get cancelled. And on the other side it will be, we know the density of liquid is same, so that's why P2 upon density of liquid, so P2 upon 10 into G. G and G will get cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are. This 2 was in division, it will go in multiplication. And the value will become 11 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. I hope you have understood till this. This is the approx value. After simplifying we'll get, I hope you have understood till this. P2 will be equal to this. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link. In part 3, we have learned the problems. In part 4, we will start with buoyancy. The theoretical part will learn of buoyancy and Archimedes principle. I hope you've understood till this. Thank you for watching. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. And for any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. In part 4, we'll learn new topics. Let us meet in part 4. Thank you.